The Jaguar X300 model was the replacement for XJ40 and was completed on a tight budget. Over 80% of the X300 project costs were spent on badly needed production modernisation. Launched at the Paris Motor Show in 1994, X300 marked a return to more traditional styling with curves not completely dissimilar to the original XJs of the 1970s. The main styling changes were implemented at the front and rear of the car with a sculptured bonnet, revised grille and front headlamps, one-piece colour-coordinated bumpers, 16-inch wheels and a revised rear light clusters. Internally, the changes compared to XJ40 were less significant with minor improvements to seating and the dashboard. The big changes comprised the new AJ16 engine, a significant enhancement of the AJ6 engine it replaced, and a new supercharged AJ16 engine variant offering 326 brake horsepower packaged as the new Jaguar XJR model with 17-inch wheels and a lowered suspension. The 6-litre V12 engine was also available for top-of-the-range Daimler and Jaguar models. The long wheelbase model X330 was launched in 1995 and provided a popular option affording an extra 4 inches of rear legroom over the standard model.